Hello and welcome to how to access the Workforce Summit Command Center. All right, we're going to just be doing some step-by-step walkthrough on how to access the website, AAWTA's website, as well as access our command center, making it easier for you to learn how to navigate, explore sponsorships, exhibits, participating organizations, how to access the download center, find hotels and venue information, as well as register for the summit. All right, so if you're visiting, you've probably gone to our page, aawta.org. Again, that's www.aawta.org. And if you've gone here, there's a few ways to access. You can scroll down on our link. And it's going to provide you a way to access from here, or you can go to more, and it will take you to the summit at the bottom. All right, we're going to go ahead and click from the tab on the right. All right, and this is going to take us to our command center. All right, we're going to keep this video fairly short. There's other videos to come if you're looking for a deeper dive, but our goal here is just to make sure that you have the basics. All right, so the big thing with the command center is that there is a scroll tab here for you to select the options that you're interested in looking for. We're just going to pick a few that might be of interest. If you're looking for more of the summit overview, you're definitely able to see that here. It goes into the agenda, which you're able to click and head straight to. You can also download the agenda in a PDF form, and it allows you to register from here. So you'll be able to see the agenda and what the summit consists of for the day, and have the opportunity to make a decision if you're staying for the full day or half a day. We welcome you to stay for the full day so that you're able to get the full experience. If you're wanting to know who is actually taking place as the speakers, you're able to click that here. Make sure that you're checking this often, as we are adding different updates on a daily basis. If you're looking for some of our exhibitors, we've been adding a few of them here. So you're able to see a few of our exhibitors in this particular area. And if you're looking for some of our sponsors, you're able to do the same thing in that particular